Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Kaheem. I know that I haven't posted a video in a while, but I have a lot coming for you guys. That's a promise that I shall keep. So I plan to do more regular uploads. Basically, my channel is about traveling, it's about lifestyle and so forth. So, under the topic of lifestyle today, I'll be giving you guys a TEMU unboxing. So I will be honest with you guys, I removed most of the stuff out the package because it had my address on it, and yeah, I did not want my address to be on it. So let's start, but guys, y'all remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the vlog. My TikTok is Travel with Kaheem. My Instagram is Travel with Kaheem also. Yeah, and I will just link everything down in the description. If y'all know anywhere that you'd like for me to visit, just leave it as a comment down. And y'all can also send me a direct message on Instagram. Yeah. So as I said, today we're doing a TEMU unboxing. So first of all, the first thing is a chain. And of course, it has the letter K, standing for me. Oh my god, y'all. This is my first time buying my jewelry from TEMU. Like, I've never done this before. I would just go in store to, whether it's Pandora or one of those places to buy jewelry. But I saw this and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. For some reason, I feel like this is just something that you wear one time. I don't know how much to trust TEMU jewelry, but this is basically it. So it's basically has the K on it. I'm not sure. Let's try it on. Y'all wanna see this on? What's happening with this thing? Okay, cause I was wondering if it didn't plan to open. Y'all, but and there it is. So to be honest, it looks quite nice, but it's not real. Not sure if I'll wear it, probably 1 or 2 times, but yeah. So basically this is from TEMU. As I said, if y'all want more of these videos, please to let me know. All right, so next item, y'all, I bought these. There's some, oh my god, can y'all see them clearly? There are some earrings also under the line of jewelry. So I cannot really give y'all a review on this, but they look pretty nice. I only hope that they are good, but I don't, well, these are not real jewelry, as in real gold or real diamond or any of that. So yeah, I don't have high hopes for it. However, I just picked it up when I was looking to do the haul. I'm like, let me get some stuff. All right, so next we have this chain. What I will do is to just leave a screenshot of this stuff up on the screen, and I will also leave the link. If I can find back the link for these, I'll just leave them down in the description if you guys are interested in getting any of these. Yeah, so okay, y'all, this chain, y'all, I don't know where to start with this chain, but it's giving vacation vibes to me. It's giving vacation vibes already. Okay, so y'all, I don't get this. I literally don't even know if I should try it on, because I ain't trying this on, but here it is, guys, it looks really nice. I guess that I'll just have to look how to wear it and how to style it. Like, I just bought this chain. It looked really good online though. Yeah, it's not that I don't have high hopes for these things because they come as I saw them online. However, I think that after one wear, or these things will even start changing color in the package, but let's see, because I'm not 100% sure. Next, we have this phone case. So let me show you guys from the back. Y'all can hardly see it. But basically, it's a travel phone case. So it has airplanes on it. Yeah, I believe that this was for an iPhone 11. Yeah, my last phone. However, I've changed my phone. And y'all, I have about 3 of these or 4. Comment if I should do a giveaway because I literally have iPhone cases wherein they cannot fit my current phone. So let me know if y'all want a giveaway and I'll be sure to do one. Alright, so next, oh my god, y'all, I remember when I saw this. So online, it's basically like a neck scarf. Would I say a scarf or a necktie? Probably a necktie. I'm gonna look up, hopefully I'm saying it correct, but yeah, should be a necktie. I really like the pattern of it. So this is like the pattern. This is really cool. Probably in my next vacation vlog, whenever I do make it, y'all will see me in this. But I really like it. And you know what, this would look nice around bag. Like travel bag, especially my duffel bag. I think that it would look really nice around my duffel bag. But y'all remember to subscribe if you want more of these videos and just comment if y'all want more of these. I have a lot of videos coming up that I plan to do about showing y'all different clothes that I buy, the different places that I shop in and so forth. But this is online shopping. Alright, so y'all, my workout suit. For y'all who aren't on my TikTok or on my Instagram, you wouldn't see that I'm starting to work out. So it has been a couple months now. So this is basically the suit. It came, I haven't tried it on or anything because I'm like, I want to do the unboxing for you guys or unpacking, any one of them, I guess. But it's basically a bottom and a top, so oh wow. So basically it's giving, I guess. No shade to the material, like literally, let's see if it can stretch. Yeah, so to be honest, this looks like a good buy. I haven't worn it as yet. So let's see the shirt for it now. Yo. Alright, so the shirt is long sleeve. Y'all, I really love the material. Literally, like, this material feels good. And the pricing is not bad. I believe that this was either... I need to check the pricing, but it's between $10 and $12. It's in that region. I'll just leave a screenshot, as I said before, if y'all are interested in getting these. But this is my first time opening this, and I'm really satisfied with the workout suit. All right, so y'all, next is my bag. So y'all, this is my travel bag. Like, this bag is bigger than I anticipated. Like, I haven't used it to travel before, but basically this is the inside of it. I wanted it as a personal item. If y'all use these airlines with personal items, y'all will know, like, some famous airlines with you can only bring a personal item would be Spirit, Frontier, Ryanair is one of them too. I doubt it that this bag could fit in it. However, I've never tried it, so I couldn't really say. But one of these days I shall try it. Last on the list, oh my god, y'all, sorry. Last on my list is, y'all, this bag has been over TikTok so much. This is another travel bag. Look at this. Some persons use it for the gym. Some persons use it to travel. Like me, my purpose of buying it is for traveling. But guys, let me show you why I really went ahead and buy this bag. They have a shoes compartment. I highly recommend if you guys buy this. Like, you can put your shoes in here, literally. Other than the shoes compartment, you have right here where you can put your charger in. Like, yeah, you have, so I really love the different pockets to the side. This is the inside of the bag. So you have different compartments in there. Oh my god, y'all. Yeah. But this is really nice. I am actually not disappointed with this bag. I should think that this can fit in the personal item slot versus this, but y'all, let's compare sizes. To me, they're the same size. Oh my god. Literally, they are the same size. I don't know, but for my next trip for sure, I want to bring this one because I'm excited to use it. To me, this one has way more compartments than this one. Wherein, it's true, it has more, but when it comes down to space, probably this is just like a whole bag. If y'all get it, y'all get it. Y'all remember to follow me on TikTok, Travel with Kaheem, Instagram, Travel with Kaheem, and subscribe to Life with Kaheem and join the family. I should have more of these videos coming up, a lot more. So I should get back into vlogging. Last but not least, I have a camera that I'm also videoing on. So like right now I'm videoing on two stuff, but the camera, I'll just try my best to insert a small footage of the camera. But that's it today for my TEMU unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, please leave a comment down and let me know what you guys think. If you have any recommendations, if y'all want me to test some things, like if you want to know about Fashion Nova, Cartier, Gucci, y'all, if y'all watch my November vlog, then you'll see when I went to those designer stores for my birthday. Yeah, so next time I'm heading back there, I can just do a vlog for you guys. Even though I vlog, but you know, a separate one with a whole experience, y'all. But further ado, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and I will see you next time.